All right, Keira, I got your testing program here. And other than I said in class, you can't do Fahrenheit to Celsius because that's what our lesson did. Let's take a look at this. So looking at your template, enter temperature in Fahrenheit, calculate what it is in Celsius, print it in Fahrenheit Celsius. So great. There's your code. And I looked to see what numbers you tested. 75, 132. 3 positive integers. I don't know, is that a good test? It said when testing, be sure and do integers, do floating point numbers or decimals, do negative, and negative and positive numbers if appropriate. Well, with temperatures, we can do negative numbers. We can do decimals. You should test everything to see if your program works. And I will tell you one thing: your program doesn't work. Let's take a look at it. Okay, so here is your program. I've got it pasted in here. Let's run it. You said you tested 32. Great, because we know 32 is equal to 0, right? 32 degrees is equal to 0. Probably another good number to test would be 212, right? Because 212 degrees Fahrenheit is 100 degrees Celsius. 212 says that's 4 degrees. Oops, wait a minute. A lot more than 4. It should be 100 degrees Celsius. Let's see what else you say you tested it with. 100 degrees. 1.5 degrees, just 1.5 degrees over freezing. 100 degrees. This isn't working. Your formula is incorrect. So our lesson also had a lot of bad formulas in there, and it kept making it better. I think you pulled one of their bad formulas out because that's not right. 75 degrees. So yeah, we should test it for 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Negative 0.7. Yeah, it's kind of way off. If I look at your formula, it's Fahrenheit minus 32 degrees times 5/9. Let's change that to a times. Try 212. Now it says it's 100 degrees. But we should also test it with like 55.2. Doesn't have a problem with 55.2. That's the same as 12.8. Let's do, if it gets down to negative 10 degrees, what is that Celsius? That's negative 23 degrees Celsius. See, testing is trying to make it break the program, make it not work. So you should test it with negative numbers or 0 or anything along that lines. But other than your little calculation error and not really fully testing things, it's okay. See you in class.